Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol NIO. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, if you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer a quick explanation video at that link, so if you go there, I will explain in detail. Did this analysis on Tuesday, and I've done it several times in the past, so that is where the green and red line annotations are coming from. And want to get things updated here, as not a whole lot occurred, but definitely, confirmation would be probably a better word. And the main point of confirmation comes via this level down here at $1.52, which I've talked about as support in past videos. And when I say confirmation, we got more of that today, as the first 30 minutes represented by this candle right here. I had a little miniature gap up, but then when it pulled back, you can see that once again, that $1.52 mark did indeed hold strong, just like it's done several times in the past here. So $1.52, definitely a very, very important level. And one of those areas where I don't want to come across like nobody else has discovered $1.52. I assure you, people that use charts, understand charts, have taken notice of $1.52, and they're wondering the same things that I'm talking about. Can that level, hold as support? And I bring all that up because when a lot of eyeballs are watching the same level and wondering the same things, call it a self-fulfilling prophecy, call it whatever you want. It can produce some dynamic price movements, and that's exactly what we have going on here with $1.52. So just one of those levels where a whole lot of people are watching it, and then if the price cannot hold above it, then things could, I'm not saying crash, but things could, move relatively quickly to the downside with that next key level of support that you'd want to pay very close attention to right there at $1.48. So again, near term, $1.52, next key level of support after that at $1.48. Zooming back in here a little bit, as far as levels of resistance are concerned, yeah, you still have that level way up there, but I'm going to go ahead and just bring this level down because that level doesn't really pertain right now, and I don't want to risk having clutter, which can cause confusion. So let's try to keep this as clean as possible from an annotation perspective. And really, the main level going forward from the resistance standpoint, just right there at $1.60. I mean, you go through the history once again of things, and you can see $1.60 rejected it. Right there, didn't quite hit it today, but I think we can all agree got close enough to consider that another rejection right there. So $1.60 remains that key level going forward from the resistance side of things. So we'll see what happens with it going forward. But again, $1.60 key level of resistance, $1.52 key level of support. Still a couple days left this week. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.